Here's a 2014 Ford Edge. Aggressively styled and easily maneuvered, this spacious crossover was built for fun. Features include V6 engine, dual zone climate control, voice activation, rear parking sensors, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, sync with My Ford external memory control, aluminum wheels, selective service internet access, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. This from the Los Angeles Times. The Edge is a terrific looking piece of machinery, short coupled and athletic, with a long rakish windshield and handsome grille resembling a triple bladed razor. The Edge has a deliberate and sporty stance that a lot of CUVs coming off as neutered SUVs are missing. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.